Hey traders, good afternoon. Edison here with the Edison Trading Collective just after market close here on March 3rd, 2022. Decent day today. Can't say the market was any less choppy, nor was it any less appealing at the open. Everything was going to open sort of flat again. Must be a world record here in the markets to have both Tesla and the SPY open up flat. Seems like the last 45 days in a row here, but in any event, we found our way into a couple nice trades today. We were short twice on Tesla, both via the 880 puts weekly expiry. Just shy of $1,100 here net on the day. Still small size, still scalping moves right now, albeit, of course, Tesla put in a nice gap and slow there. As we got into the day, but just not quite there yet. So let's talk about the trades. All right, so I was kind of patient out of the gates again, of course, today, and Tesla puts in a little move here above the cloud, throws in a pretty significant upper wick here, and I actually jumped this move a little bit. I decided I was going to open a trade right here on the 836 candle with just one contract, and I did that as it started to make its way back down towards the cloud and show some weakness here after that wick was thrown up. And then the second it kind of cleared that level and was heading towards 880, I added 2 more contracts. So I was 3 contracts in, between this minute-ish, and scalped the move out towards this area here and got out. Quick, easy, pretty clean. Jumped the gun a little bit on the first entry. I won't argue that, but I felt okay with it. I had a super tight stop on that first contract anyway, so it was just a little bit of a speculative play by me, and as it started to resolve and confirm itself to me, I went ahead and added and took out about $475 or so in net profit. Tesla goes a little bit lower than sort of when I closed that first trade, and it pops back up here and it tests 880, and it tests 880 again, and I go ahead and get short right here on the 841 candle. Same play, one contract, and then if it was going to resolve itself underneath that level there and underneath the 841 candle, I went ahead and added 2 more, and then just waited for lows and started to scale out down here towards as it was making new lows. One of the things that I really liked about that second trade, I think the entry was much cleaner. It was against that 880 level that I've been talking about for days now. It really does seem to draw a line in one way or another against that 880 mark a lot of the time. And the other thing that I really liked is that it did actually decouple from the SPY. So as I added into this trade, the SPY was sort of starting to rip here a little bit, and I went ahead and added into it as it decoupled, thinking that if the SPY could then start showing some weakness, it was really going to bring Tesla down. It did in the 842 candle, and so that really helped me out as well. Again, just scalped the move, a little bit bigger move though this time, and caught $618 or $620 net on that particular trade. So all in all, a pretty decent day. I can't say it was super clean. I didn't have alignment, cloud alignment on the 1 minute and the 5 minute. The market was, pretty choppy through here, right? It trades sideways, dumps, comes back up, dumps. And so it wasn't an awesome A+ day. I don't think either setup was an A+ setup. I think the second trade was a good solid setup. My first trade was speculative with a really tight stop to open it, and I did add in when it provided the confirmation that I wanted as we started heading towards the cloud and down below it. So, and then of course on the second trade, I used the cloud as an indicator that, hey, it just can't sort of get above that. It can't get above that 880 level. So we had some really good alignment there, but neither of them would I consider to be really A+ setups or A+ trades. with that said, I will take it. $1,100 day on the heels of two basically flat days on Monday and Tuesday. About a half-hour loss yesterday. Lost $696 yesterday, and I think that's the power of keeping your losing days small, right? In one halfway decent day for me, I get all of the losses back from yesterday, plus another 60% or so, and then you add that to the two small winners from Monday and Tuesday, and I'm putting a decent, weekly a decent green week together. So. We'll see what tomorrow brings. This week is not going to be stellar, given the fact that I basically had two flat days on Monday and Tuesday and a losing day on Wednesday. This is not going to be my most productive week in the market. I can all but guarantee that. Never know. Maybe I hit a home run tomorrow, but it's unlikely in these market conditions, given what I've seen over the past couple of weeks and a couple of months, for that matter. But that's okay. We will go slow. We will take it easy. We will be patient. And we will manage risk first and foremost until the market proves that it's looking to throw in some big moves. So we'll see what tomorrow brings, and looking forward to it. Hope you guys had a great day in the markets. Hope you guys have a great night. Looking forward to catching up with you tomorrow. Be well.